Friends, welcome you to my channel Arians HR. Friends, in today's video I will show you the magic of compounding effect. Friends, here I will take one example of mutual fund SIP and try to figure out how compounding interest work. So here I will prepare some raw data. Month, SIP amount, interest rate, total value. First month, let's say I have an SIP of rupees 5,000. Interest rate annual, let's say 15%. So monthly will be divided by 12, 1.25. Now total value for the first month, this plus this into 1.25%. So this is the value of our first month. Okay, in the second month, again the SIP amount will be fixed, interest rate amount will be fixed. Now in the second month our value will be first month value plus our second month SIP. Okay, and then interest rate 1 plus this percentage. So in the second month our total investment will be 5,000 plus 5,000, 10,000, but the value will be 10,188 rupees. Give me here round formula. Okay, now in the same way we will continue for the further month. Here is the 11th month. Now we will check where we will check. Now here I will check at the point of some month. After some month you will get a drastic change in the amount. Okay, so I'm not taking this to down. $170 month. After 170 month, our investment value is 8,50,000, but our total value of the investment amount will be something 29 lakh. Okay. Now again, I take it further. Okay, here is 262 month. 262 month is equal to what? How many years divided by 12? So almost 22 years. In 22 years our total value of investment will be 1 crore 89,298 rupees. Okay, after 21 years. And what is our investment amount? I will sum here. 13 lakh 10,000. So I have investment 13 lakhs 10,000, but after 21 years I will get the amount of rupees 1 crore. So this is the value of compounding effects. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.